A Hippie Crafter sent me a pack of their 8x10 canvas boards, so I decided let's make Easter signs with HTV in these boards. I used my Solvent printer. I have a Roland VN20 to print out my heat transfer vinyl design. Once I weeded the design, I opened up the canvas board. I am using a size 8x10 canvas board, and my heat transfer vinyl design is 9 inches wide and about 6 inches long. Before I can press this HTV print onto the canvas board, I have to mask it. I like using Caesar's high-tech masking tape. That's what I'm using here. And basically what I'm going to do is remove the backing and place the sticky side of the masking tape over my heat transfer vinyl design. Then I'll remove the backing from the vinyl and it's all ready to go. I pulled out my ruler so that I can measure and make sure that the design is evenly placed on the canvas. Honestly, I didn't have to do this part because the design was a perfect width for a 10-inch board. So I decided just to play around with it and place the transfer as I seen fit, just eyeballing it. Once I was happy with the placement, I took this board over to my heat press machine. I pressed at 315 degrees for 5 seconds. It was very easy to press since there isn't any wood frames on this board, and it turned out very, very great. I really loved how it turned out.